Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Braun Series 310S Wet and Dry Electric Shaver for man and woman, of course. It is rechargeable. It is an electric razor and it's available in black and blue, for example, here. 3 pressure sensitive shaving elements for efficiency and skin comfort. 2 rechargeable long life NiMH batteries, automatic voltage adaptation. The smart plug comes with automatic 10 up to 240 voltage adjustment, so we can use our Braun shaver worldwide while we are traveling. And it's wet and dry shaver for use with water, foam, or gel. It's no problem. Middle trimmer that easily cuts even longer and more difficult hair. Designed and engineered in Germany by Braun. And 2 times SensoFoil to have a gentle skin experience. It has a durable cordless shaver. It is waterproof up to 5 meters. And the charge time is 1 hour, 8 times faster with quick charge. 5 minutes charging is enough for one shave. And this is good and reliable. You have great adaptation and skin comfort. Braun is an iconic German brand specialized in world-class precision shavers. It is a global recognized for its simple, intuitive design and outstanding product performance. Trusted by men everywhere, Braun is the world #1 foil shaver brand. But I'm not so sure that is good for Braun, because I think it's not the best, because I have so big hair on my skin, in my face, and the Braun will not handle this so much like the information about this product should be. All Braun shavers go in straight intuitive strokes, so we can not need to circle over the same spot twice. It helps us to minimize skin irritation. Maybe it's on an upper class product, so here it's not like this. I think for my skin, for my beard, it is not so good. The specialized cutting elements are pressure sensitive and protected by patent metal mesh. This is the SensoFoil for a clean and close shave with outstanding skin comfort. In my shaving experience of this Braun shaver, I cut me twice or 3 times. I cut it me 3 times with this shaver. So maybe, because my son have no problem with this product, maybe it is because of my big fat hair. Okay, maybe this one. Advanced shaving. 3 specialized shaving elements work together for a close and gentle shave. Braun's patented SensoFoil protects our skin from the ultra sharp blades, and its perfect adaptation. The 3 independently moving shaving elements, 3 flex head, adapts to every facial contour for maximum skin contact. Maybe I dislike foil shavers, and I cut my hair in my face with a head hair shaver. Maybe because of this, I have I have problems with this tiny little bit shaver like this. Skin sensitive. Braun's pressure sensitive blades automatically retract to protect our skin. For a gentle shave and smooth skin feeling, and it has an intelligent design. The full shaving power of the Series 3 is built in a super thin head, allowing us to reach difficult areas like under the nose with ease. You can see in my separate video of shaving with this shaver under my nose there was so much hair after the shave. I don't know. It's German technology. The Braun Series 3 is built to last. An ergonomic grip ensures we can shave safely, even with water, soap, or gel. And this I like really much. It is waterproof. That means there's no problem if water contains the surface of this shaver. This is awesome. I like it if a product is waterproof. Really nice. 100% waterproof. All Braun shavers are waterproof up to 5 meters. We can conveniently rinse them out of running water for easy and hygienic cleaning. And of course, if you are a diver, you can take it with you in vacation, have a diving fun factor event, and then you can shave yourself underwater. Up to 5 meters. Awesome. And it's shave wet or dry. This I think is a really good thing. Because if you are young, you dislike shaving, but I'm old and I dislike shaving too. Okay, I think it's for all. If you are having a shower and then you have a place under the shower, take your shaver with you and have their shaving process. Easily, or we can use the Series 3 with water, foam, or gel for even better gliding and smoother skin feeling. Plus, with Series 3, we can even shave in the shower. And 2 times long life batteries. 2 powerful NiMH batteries with quick charge technology. Just 5 minutes to recharge is enough for a full shave. And this is good. It's really good because this is speed charging, and it's easy to continue with shaving. While, for example, if the battery is empty and you are only on half ready with it, and then the battery is empty, oh, it's not good. You have a date in 20 minutes. Oh, just push it 5 minutes into power, job's done. No problem with the charging. I think it's a medium product. It is cheap. It's not expensive. So that means it is good. Really. It is good if you like. If you like such a shaving device, then it's really good for you because it's a wet and dry electric shaver and it is behind the foil. It's a foil electric shaver. And if you like this kind of device, then you can use it and it will have a good solution for you. But if you have so much bird like me, so much foam, so much hair inside or outside of your skin, it's not so easy for me, okay? And it's really easy to remove the head, clean them underwater, no problem. Give him a bath, no problem. And then reattach it or reassemble the device, job's done. Okay, you have to wait a little bit until the wet and dry electric shaver is even dry out. Then you can make another action with this shaver. I like it. Okay, it is for me not the finest solution, but it will be a good solution for so many humans out there while they are shaving itself each day. I'm not an any day, each day shaver. I do this once a month. This is enough for me because I'm not so so a skin like like skin without hair. I like a little bit hair on it. So this is a razor for guys like this. A good razor. This information comes from my son, not from me. I think it's a medium product. Braun Series 3 1010S Wet and Dry electric shaver for men and women. And of course, it's rechargeable and it's good for all of you, except me. Soon, soon. And don't forget, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.